Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will look into a topic called as HTML entities. So let us see what is meant by HTML entities. The syntax is like this: ampersand and then entity name or ampersand entity number. It should be entity number. Okay. So what is meant by this entity? So some examples are given. Example number 1, to get hash include stdio.h on the browser. Okay, following HTML code has to be used. You simply cannot write hash include stdio.h. The reason is HTML has got a special meaning for this less than sign and greater than sign. For example, all the tags in HTML are enclosed within these tags. So that is why when interpreting the HTML, so this less than sign and then this greater than sign has a different meaning to a browser. So what is to be done if we want to display this less than and greater than? Then there is a concept called as entity name. So what we have to do is we have to write like this. Instead of this less than, you have to replace it by ampersand LT and a semicolon, and ampersand greater than GT and a semicolon. LT stands for less than, GT stands for greater than. So what browser will do is browser will look at this entity ampersand LT semicolon, then browser will replace it by a less than sign. Similarly, browser will replace ampersand GT semicolon with a greater than sign. So we cannot write this less than and greater than sign ourselves. So we have to replace it by these entities. And similarly, to get pounds symbol, we have to write like this. So browser will replace this by pound. Okay, pound symbol. Similarly, euro symbol, ampersand euro and a semicolon. This is to get a single quote. For example, if we want this one, work is worship on the browser, and we want this single quote also, then this instead of single quote, we have to replace it by this ampersand quote. And then to get the spaces in between the words, the entity called as NBSP has to be used. Okay, non-breaking space. NBSP stands for non-breaking space. So ampersand NBSP semicolon will be replaced by a space. So we know that if we leave space in between the words, then the browser will not respect that spaces and the line breaks. For line break, you have to use the BR tag, and for space, you have to use this entity called as ampersand NBSP semicolon. Here we have used NBSP 3 times. So 3 spaces will be left between this I and am. Okay, I have taken a sentence, I am learning HTML. So you should have this NBSP ampersand NBSP semicolon 3 times to leave 3 spaces here. So let us look into a list of entity names and entity number. So there are 2 ways you can use this entities. One is by using this entity name, and another one is by using entity number. For example, ampersand LT space. If you use this is called as an entity name. Instead of this, you can use a number. For example, this number 60 is for this less than sign. So you can use like this also, but it is somewhat easy to use the names rather than these numbers. So this table gives you all the details, like this is the symbol what you get on the browser. For example, this is the pound symbol, and this is pound, and how to get a pound, ampersand pound and semicolon. Okay, so let us try out these things on the browser. So now I will type like this. Suppose I will type include stdio.h. So I have typed this. Let us see how this is rendered by the browser. So look at the browser. So you are getting only hash include stdio you are not getting, because the browser interprets this less than and greater than sign in a different way. So it may be thinking that stdio.h itself is a tag, but there is no tag like that in HTML. So that is why it is not displaying anything. So what I have to do, I have to replace this by ampersand less than semicolon and ampersand greater than semicolon. Now let us see how it is rendered on the browser. You see hash include stdio.h. So this is how it is rendered. So let us look into some other examples. To save some time, I have typed it here. So I will take it and then I'll copy it here. So I have taken a line break between each thing. So this is to display the pound 12 and ampersand euro to display the pound 345. And this is, I should get a single quote here. And then this is for getting 3 spaces between the words. So let us see how it is rendered on the browser. You see here, hash include stdio.h, pound 12, euro 345, and work is worship. And inside the quotes, and I am learning HTML. There are 3 spaces between these words. So this is the code for that. So this is how to use the HTML entities. Thank you.